Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 15.4 question number 1. A bulb is kept burning just right above the following solids. Name the shape of the shadows obtained in each case. Attempt to give a rough sketch of the shadow. You may try to experiment first and then answer these questions. In the case of ball, here you see the shadow will be a circle. Shadow. The shadow will be a circle. This is the shadow of the ball. Right, and the shape's name is circle. Shape's name it is a circle. Question number 2, cylindrical pipe. If you take a cylindrical pipe, the shadow will be like this, a line. Shadow will be like this. That is a line. If you take a cylindrical pipe, the shadow will be a line like this. And the shape's name is a line. Is a line, or you can say it as rectangle. You can say it as rectangle or line. A rectangle you can say, right? And in case of book, it could be shown like this. That is, it can be shown like a rectangle. If it is a book, then it is shown the shadow will be like a rectangle. Here you see, this is a rectangle. Therefore, the shadow will be, shape's name will be a rectangle. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.